love you. I love you. I love you. Okay.
So hi guys, just dropping off Jerusha. We're at the airport at the express pickup because she directed me to the wrong direction and didn't know where to go. So we're here now.
JERUSHA.
The MCM. God, I love the MCM.
The 1,000.
There's an MCM store here at the duty free. MCM is so amazing.
Very good price. This is the Australia exchange like in very low.
It's a beautiful grey. It'll be very heavy. MCM's great. Ah.
Thank you.
Can you? Oh my gosh, how fun. Look at these. God, their leather is so good. Kind of gives me like Celine box bag vibes. MCM. Stepping it up. These are so cute. Hi Mel, shout out to Mel Soldera, she has these. These are the JERUSHA. Ding. I'm gonna go into Tiffany.
Twilly. Hi guys.
Mama, I want to tell you something. Your hair is not as spiky as that lady.
Oh goodness, that's good to know. She looks like a broomstick. Oh no. Hi. I'm so excited. We're going overseas. Maybe just 3 hours across the Tasman, but we're going overseas and we're in duty free. Haven't even been into this new hall before. It's just amazing.
Haven't you been here?
Well, Singapore.
Look at what's behind us. Oh, hello. So I'll be carrying my Kelly.
And we're going on a holiday. I'm just beside myself. I'm so excited with my girl. Sorry about that. Have to go to Tiffany now. Bye. What does that mean?
They're all individual designers. They get like independent designers.
That's divine. But I don't have $10,000.
That is beautiful. It's very you. I'm a yellow gold person. Just stopped in at Tiffany. This is the, what is it called? Return to Tiffany bead. Small beaded bracelet. Doesn't that look pretty? In yellow gold. That's such a cute stack. So we have come to our beautiful private jet. Mum's private jet. This is LAN Airways, and I've flown with them before.
Take a picture of me on my phone.
Okay.
Sorry.
So these are our seats. So pretty. Yeah.
What am I saying?
I don't know. Do you want to tell the vlog anything for today?
We will see you in New Zealand.
See you in New Zealand. Bye. This is the most beautiful hotel. Oh my god, we could be in Paris on the water. Let's go.
Oh, hi.
Hi there. Oh, are you going to give us a room tour there, lovely lady? So this is the little kitchenette.
Bar, kitchen,
Bar, kitchen.
fridge,
Oh, Nespresso.
bar, espresso.
So cute.
Cupboard.
A little cupboard. Do a little tour here. Lovely,
Nice
Jill.
dressing gowns.
And a little hamper.
Oh, they're beautiful dressing gowns. Look at the...
The terry towel. So
Oh
we're
my
staying at the
God.
Sofitel in Viaduct Bay, which is the new kind of area. There's our suitcases. Take us into the main room.
And this is the lovely sitting area.
Oh, wow.
And the desk area. And the
Huge outlook.
magnificent Juliet balcony.
That's
See?
gorgeous.
Four
Yeah.
ceilings. Juliet balcony out to the harbour.
So a little balcony here. Watch your step. And look at this beautiful bay. This is Viaduct Bay.
Viaduct bay around all the private boats.
All the private boats, and our room looks out over that view. And that's the New Zealand Tower, the Auckland Tower. I don't know what it is. And there's Jill's. And shall we continue to the other side?
This is our twin share
children's room.
Ta-da!
Mum just called the concierge downstairs and was like, sorry, is it twin
Children.
adults beds or children? I'm like, oh my gosh. So this is,
It's a king bed separate.
yeah, it's a king bed separated into two king singles. Look at the size of these windows. That's beautiful. So I told Jules we're just gonna have to suck it up
And
and
here's this very
sleep.
lovely bathroom. Look.
Beautiful. And a lovely bathroom. It's just gorgeous.
And they have the gorgeous Levin products. These are absolutely divine. Landvin.
Lanvan.
Landvan. Get it right.
Go what?
They have them, they're beautiful products.
Oh, I didn't know Lanvan
Yeah.
makes like skincare.
Stunning products.
I also didn't know they do hotel supplies. Is there a toothbrush in there?
No.
See? What's
Did you
with
forget
that?
one?
No, not again. I'm gonna learn the hard way. Then the shower. Yay! All right.
Yay.
The funny part is that when we got here, Mum's Sofitel account, Jara set it up, so it's under like he set it up as like Jara, even though it's her
We're in
Sofitel account. So she gets to checking in, and they go, "Hi, Jara." So come on, Jara, come and try the bed out for the vlog. They want to see.
What?
They want to see you try out laying in which bed. You can have the right bed. Go. Choo choo.
I'm not sure. Which one do I want? Which one do you want?
I do you know what? I am not a diva. I have no preference to things like this. I could not care less.
Maybe I'll have this.
You're the diva.
I'll have this one because I feel a bit less claustrophobic.
Oh, okay. Let's see you lay in a king single. I don't think you've actually like hopped in a single bed since when? Probably the last time you were in hospital, I suppose.
We had in the mountains, but I never slept in them.
Yeah, but that was the guest room. Come on, choppy chop. Can't take forever. To bloody edit half this crap out. Look at that boat down there.
It's
Now,
about a third of the size of Shane's.
this, Willie would love that.
Oh, very comfortable.
Oh, she's on it. We missed the lay down.
Yes.
Will you fall out?
I'll put the sides up.
Oh, God. Well, you look comfy. They look very, very comfortable.
The Doonas are fabulous.
Very beautiful. Well, this is it. This is our room at the Sofitel. Hi guys. Still look like death warmed up, which I said on Mum's Instagram, and everyone was laughing at. Come here, please. We're saying bye. What did you just do?
I just turned sideways.
Oh, they were smelling me. It's weird. Okay, I'm going to say bye on the vlog today. We are in NZ. We are very happy to be here. Hi, New Zealand.
Hi, New Zealand.
And yeah, we're going to start exploring tomorrow. We've got a few things we want to do. Lots of walking and sightseeing. It's so cute. It's so pretty. New Zealand is so pretty and clean. You should be proud of yourselves. See you in tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye.